10 lanterns were hung at equal distance apart in a row. The distance between the first and the fourth lantern is 24 meters. What is the distance between the first and the 10th lantern? I think I did similar questions previously before. Now for this one, okay, just let me take a look if I did the same one or it was like a similar variation. Okay, so the first one I did was like lamppost, then rectangular cards, then 44 lanterns. Okay, so this one is 10 lanterns. Now, if you realize questions like this, right, get recycled by your school many times. What does this tell us, right? It tells us that this kind of question always come out. It's very common. If you have not watched the previous video, I would encourage you to go and watch the previous video. Now, I'm just going to do this question right now. They say 10 lanterns, equal distance apart. The first and the fourth, 24 meters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many spaces are there in between. 1, 2, 3. So 3 spaces, and then they told us that the distance is 24 meters, right? Which means that 3 spaces is 24 meters. Now they're asking for what's the distance between the first and the 10th. If you were to draw all the way if you could draw 10 lanterns outright, you're going to notice that there are going to be 9 spaces in between. How do we know that? Simple. Now look at 4. 4 lanterns, 3 spaces in between. You have to take the last number minus 1. So if the first and the 10th one, just going to take 10 minus 1, there will be 9 spaces. Okay, so we're looking for 9 spaces. If 3 spaces is 24, how about 9 spaces? What do? We just have to take 24 multiplied by 3. And that will give us 72, and that will be the answer. Alright, done. For parents who are watching this, if you're not sure how to teach your kids this one, just refer to my previous videos. I've taught it many times. Alright, cheers!